Hi guys, today I get this pair of folding chairs for work purposes. So let's take them out of the box. So these are the proper chairs, already folded, and we can fold it just like this. Okay, as you can see, it's a really quick movement, which I think it's really nice. And to unfold them, we just press it down again. That's it. They are really comfortable. They feel really sturdy, which I think it's really nice. The material is like PU leather, and it's made of metal in this part, which I think it's perfect because it gives it a little bit more stability. Okay, so now let's place them upon my diner. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, now I have set it upon my diner, and I think they're really nice. They have a nice height, which makes it easier to eat. And overall, I like them a lot, and I would really recommend them. They're really easy to fold, really slim and easy to storage, and that's why I would really recommend them. Okay, see you guys.